Today in this video we are going to check out an update on Realme X and its launch in India. Realme X was first a China exclusive handset, but after getting the massive response they thought of launching it globally as well. The device already bagged the BIS approval in India, suggesting it could launch in the country, and that was further confirmed a few days ago by Realme India's CEO Madhav Sheth on Twitter. The CEO confirmed through a tweet that the Realme X will come to India slightly modified, meaning the Chinese version of the device could be slightly different from the version that will be sold in India and perhaps other markets outside of China. Madhav Sheth says Realme X may not necessarily launch at the same specs in India. That means there will be a change of specs while launching in India, and with that the pricing will go around Rs 18,000. And alongside one more variant in addition to garlic and onion will be specifically made for Indian market. Talking of upgrades that could happen, first and foremost we might get to see the newest processor, that is Snapdragon 730 or 730G in Realme X, because Realme X in China features Snapdragon 710 and in India we already have Realme 3 Pro which already has Snapdragon 710 processor, so it only makes sense to launch it with Snapdragon 730 processor, and which will be happily accepted in India at Rs 18,000. And as per rumors, the Realme X could also bring micro SD card support for Indian market. The other thing which could get an upgrade is the battery. A bigger battery is always welcome. So these were some of the things which could get an upgrade. What are your thoughts? What new upgrades do you think should come at 18,000 rupees price point for Realme X? Comment below. While they could add stuff, they might remove or degrade some stuff just to keep the price in check. Like the Samsung 48 megapixel camera sensor could be used. That's what I think. As the CEO said, the specs will be modified. That means it's not gonna be only upgraded. We might get to see some specs being upgraded while some being degraded as well. Let's hope they provide a perfect mix of specifications. So if you were waiting to buy a Realme device with pop-up selfie camera within 15k price point, then Realme X is not an option anymore. But until Realme launches this device, there will be more devices in the market with great specs and you could go with one of those. So I think it's imminent for Realme to launch this model before major OEMs like Redmi, Samsung and various other launch their smartphones, providing better value for money smartphones. So if you liked what you saw, then subscribe and like. With that being said, I will see you in the next one. Peace out.